it that hard to try to get up with the hamper on your
Honestly,
head.
you don't understand if I
No.
Let's see, and I need to scratch my nose. I'm gonna breathe! I'm gonna die! I can't breathe!
There's holes in it.
What?
There's holes in it.
I know, but I'm freaking claustrophobic! Got it, people.
And 19 levels later.
Okay, your turn.